Hey, guess what today is? It's Tuesday. And do you know what we do on Tuesdays? Eat.
Yo, it's your boy King Osei-Abrah coming at you today. And today, as I said, we're making some TVs. Yeah, so okay, wait, yeah, audience. Yeah, so TVs are actually, this stuff is hitting hard. So TVs are actually Tom Browns, all right? And I don't know why I'm calling them TVs today because like I pretty much like I never call them TVs. But I feel like today's just that day. You know, like there are some days where like I just start like calling my friends like by their short names, like, and I really never call them like that. Like for example, like Benzola becomes Benzi, like Michelle becomes Mimi, like Audrey become Odds, like Lawrence become Lawe. Anyways, but whatever. Today's that day. So today Tom Brown is TB. So what is Tom Brown? Tom Brown is I don't know if like there's an official definition for it, but it's pretty much a mixture of wheat, wheat, rice, and soya beans all mixed together, grounded into flour, I guess, something like that. Tom Browns were actually brought to Ghana by the Europeans. I'm not sure which Europeans actually came and brought Tom Browns, but apparently some Europeans. That's why they're called Tom Browns. Tom Brown is not an African name; it's an European name. So when they came here, I guess the British, they give us this and then we liked it, so then we ordered more of it. And after a while, we started making our own. We said we don't need you guys no more to make it. We can figure out how to grind maize and corn and rice and mix it all together and mush it up and just make Tom Browns. And then we made it, and then we love it. But off the late, I have realized that there are some specific ways to prepare Tom Brown, and if you do not prepare it that exact way, you get bad Tom Brown. So today I'm actually going to compare these two brands of Tom Browns, and I'm actually going to show y'all how to make some bomb Tom Browns. You feel me? Let's get to work. First of all, we have Oye Tom Brown, and we have Flobico Tom Brown. Yeah, Flobico, I guess. So I actually already tried these two Tom Browns. Flobico, unfortunately, like I'm really proud of these two companies. They're both Ghanaian made, made in Ghana, packaged in Ghana, everything in Ghana. Coming up, and I'm really proud of these two companies. But unfortunately, Flobico, terrible Tom Brown. Their Tom Brown is so sour. Like, oh my goodness. For a second I thought it expired, but I just found out that the expiring date is not even close. Like, it expires in 2023. 2023. And it tasted so sour. And I felt bad because I'm like, yo, like I was really hyped to try this. Because this other one is not I haven't found this in any US local US African market yet, but I bought this one from the African market that is actually close to me, and I found out that no bueno. It's just like it just has this bitter taste behind it, and I just couldn't get over it. But actually I called the company. I gave them a very a critique, a very nice critique, and I told them that, yo, look, you guys are amazing. They make other products. All their products are like really good, but it's just that your TB game ain't it. So I told them I hope hopefully they step up their game, or else I don't know what to say. But then I also got this one, which is Oye Tom Brown. So this one I actually got it from Ghana. If anybody knows where they sell this in USA, I'll really appreciate it. But I got this from Ghana. I didn't get it, but my mom got it, and you get the gist. I got it from Ghana. So I got this one from Ghana, and it's actually really good. It's also made and packaged by a Ghanaian company, and it's a little bit more expensive than this one, I guess. Wait, is it? I can't really compare because like I bought this one in. I mean, this one was bought in Ghana cities, and this one was bought in American dollars. So probably the same because like the rates changes up and down and things like that. But this one was actually the good one. I don't know where to get this. I posted a link on my Instagram asking people if they actually know a good place to get some Tom Browns. Some people gave a few suggestions like ordering online or going to the Bronx BX to order. But I'm just gonna try out those those options and see if I can actually get a good substitute. All right, so now the cooking part. So usually when I do this, I don't measure. Like I don't measure like my portions. I don't know why. Like I feel like Ghanaians never measure anything. Like in my whole entire life of living, I've never seen my grandma or my mom ever measure. No, my mom recently started measuring just because she was like trying to like make a recipe from YouTube. But apart from that, I've never seen my mom measure anything in her entire life. Like it's always just okay, that's enough. You understand? Like, yo, and I've realized this for Hispanics as well. Like, I don't know, my Dominican friends never measure anything. So whatever. But for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna like show you guys the actual proportions that I'm gonna use. Alright, so guys, there you have it. Rich, creamy Tom Brown. So I just added milk to mine, and I'm just gonna stir this up. And usually I just add milk and sugar. That's all. That's the only things that I add to mine. But you have the option to add anything that you want to add. Some people add fruit, some people add nuts, some people add chocolate to it. Anything of your taste that actually like that you like that could like spice it up for you. For me, I just like to keep it simple. Sometimes I add fruits to it, but usually I just eat it just like the way it is. In case you're thinking about making it, just let me know. You can leave a comment in a DM. I mean, you can leave a comment down here, or like just comment in my DMs, and I could like hook you up to the Oye Tom Brown, and maybe you could like get some also. But if anybody knows where I can actually get good Tom Brown in New York City or anywhere around the New York City area or anywhere along the East Coast, just let me know, and it would be so helpful. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's version of Tuesdays We Eat, and I hope you guys stay blessed. Peace, and I'm out.